Good morning, students. We'll continue from fourth problem onwards. In last class, I said how to do expansion. Okay. So now we will do some problems over here. That is in fourth, second problem, 2a minus 3b whole cube. They give it like this. So without knowing formula, we can't do these problems. Okay. Even teachers also can't do it. If you know formula, then we can do it. Okay. Now, by seeing this, you should remind one formula. It is like a minus b whole cube. It is like a minus b whole cube. So you should write its identity. Okay. What is the identity here? A cube minus 3a square b plus 3ab square minus b cube. It is the formula. This you have to by heart it. That's it. Okay. How you will by heart tables like that? You have to by heart this identity. Now compare these two. So here a is there. In place of a you have 2a. Wherever a is there you have 2a. Wherever b is there you have 3b. Right side means in this entire, where you are seeing a, you have to substitute 2a. Where you are seeing b, you have to substitute 3b. That's it. Now, how to do substitution? See, if you write formula, for formula you will get some marks. If you substitute perfectly, you will get some marks. Okay. Substitution, see how I am doing? 2a cube. You should not write like this. If you write like this cube belongs to only a. So keep inside the brackets here. It is a cube. In place of a, I written 2a. After a cube, what you are saying here? Minus. Minus I am writing. 3 is there? 3 okay. No symbol means into it is. Into means brackets here. A square. A square means in place of a, I said to write 2a. 2a whole square. B is there. B means 3b. 3 into a means here 2a. B means 3b whole square. 3b whole cube. So, wherever a is there, I wrote 2a. Wherever b is there, I wrote 3b. Now, simplification, how we have to do it. So, 2a whole cube. We know that a cube means a into a into a. 2a whole cube means basis 2a. You should write 2a into 2a into 2a. So, 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8. A into a square. A square into a is a cube. So, if you simplify this entire, you are getting a 8a cube. Now, you should not multiply 3 and 2 now. For this 2, what is there here? Square is there. First, do 2a whole square. 2a whole cube means 3 times written. 2a whole square means only 2 times. These two, if you multiply, you are getting 4a square. So, minus 3 into this, if you simplify, 4a square you are getting into 3b, okay. So 3 into 2a is 6a. 3b whole square means 9b square. 3b whole cube. 3b into 3b into 3b. So you are getting a 27b cube. Now still you can simplify it. 8a cube as it is. You can't simplify this. Now 3 4s are 12. 12 3s are 36. A square b. Because a square and b alphabets are there. Now 6 9s are 54. ab square minus 27b cube. So these all are not similar terms. It is a cube is there. Here square is there for a. A square b is different. ab square is different. B cube is different. All the 4 terms are different. So you can't do addition. You can't do subtraction. You have to live like this. It is called expansion. What you done here? What is the question? He will ask you to expand this one. For this expansion, first you have to know the formula. Formula write down and compare these two. And wherever a is there, in place of a, what is there? In place of b, what is there? Right side, substitute it, simplify. Or at last you will get the answer. This is about second question. Next, now we will go with the next question is So next one, somewhat, that is a by 4 minus b by 2 plus 1 whole square is given here. It is in fourth problem. They given like this. So what you have to do? Expansion again. Expand means you have to make it large. Okay. So how you have to do expansion? We'll see. This I can write as a by 4 plus minus b by 2 plus 1 whole square. So for our seeing purpose, it is like a plus b plus c whole square. By seeing this, what I said to you? I said to remember the identity. What is the identity here? A plus b plus c whole square is the identity. A plus b plus c whole square formula: a square plus b square plus c square plus 2ab plus 2bc plus 2ca. It is the formula. So first you should compare LHS with LHS. So by comparing, in place of A you have a by 4. In place of b you have minus b by 2. In place of c you have 1. So in A, B, C places you have a by 4 minus b by 2 and 1. In right side, wherever you are seeing A, B, C, in that places you should substitute these values first. For substitution you will have some marks. So now substitution, a square is there, a means a by 4. So you have to write a by 4 whole square plus again b square, b means here minus b by 2 whole square plus c square, c means here 1. For 1, if you keep brackets or if you are not keeping brackets, nothing will be happen. Plus 2, again 2, between 2 and a, no symbol means into only. A means here a by 4, b means here minus b by 2, 2, b means minus b by 2, c means 1, 2 into c means 1, a means a by 4. So what I done is I substituted the values, that's it. Now simplification. So how to do simplification? We'll see it here. A by 4 whole square. So a by 4 whole square is nothing but a by 4 into a by 4. Into is there means numerator into numerator. A square. 4 into 4. 4 4s are 16. Some students will write 8 here. Is wrong. So a square by 16 is one term. Again minus is there, whole square is there. It becomes plus only. B square by 4. How you are getting? Minus b by 2 into minus b by 2. Right like that. Minus b by 2 into minus b by 2. 1 square is 1 only. Okay. From here cuttings will be there. Into is there means numerator and denominator can cancel here. So plus into minus. Minus. In numerator you have AB. In denominator you have only 4. So AB by 4. Next come here 2 cancelled. You have only minus B. And here 2 1s are 2 2s are. You got here A by 2. So this we can't simplify further. So it is A square by 16, B square by 4, 1, AB by 4, minus B, A by 4. All are unlike terms. They are not like terms. Like terms only can be added or subtracted. Unlike terms we can't do. So we have to leave like this. So it is fourth problem we have to do like this. Now we will go for fifth one. How we should do fifth problem and see it. So fifth question is factorize. The question itself, factorize given. So what we have to do factorization? The given question also 25x square plus 16y square plus 4z square minus 40xy plus 16yz minus 20xz. They given like this. So here, by seeing this, you should understand one identity again. So what identity will come means it is a perfect square. 25 means 5 square. So 25x square you can write as 5x whole square. So this you can write as 5x whole square. This you can write as 4y whole square. This you can write as 2z whole square. Means these three are what? Perfect squares. So with perfect squares you have one identity. What is that? That is a square plus b square plus c square plus 2ab plus 2bc plus 2ca. For identity one is this is RHS. This side what you have to write here? You have to write a plus b plus c whole square. So if it is there like this, we can write like this. So what we should do is we have to convert this entire in this form. Okay. So I want to write this entire as like this. To write like that, what you have to do is here minus symbols are there for 2. Actually in this formula all are plus only. So no need of fearing. But in this question you have 2 minus symbols or not. So in this alphabets if you see xy is there, xz is there. Which alphabet is in common in xy and xz? Which alphabet you are seeing common here? X is there in this and also x is there in this. So for x term you have to keep minus. Means 25x square you should write minus 5x whole square. So minus 5x into minus 5x if you do it. Minus into minus is plus. 5 into 5 is 25 x square. Means 25x square only. 25x square you can write as 5x into 5x. Plus 5x into plus 5x also 25x square only. Minus 5x into minus 5x also 25x square. But we should not write 25x square as like this. Now because you are seeing some negative symbols there. Here all are positive means you should take plus 5x plus 5x. You are seeing 2 negative. So you have to keep for x term minus. Now remaining a square written. So b square means what you have here 16 5 square. So you can write 4y whole square directly. C square means 2z whole square. A square plus b square plus c square. Again what you have here 2ab or not? 2ab. 2 into a means what you have to take here? A means minus 5x. B means it is a square. In place of a minus 5x. It is b square. In place of b 4y. 4y. 2ab. 2b c. C is what? 2z. 2c a. So I wrote this in the form of a square plus b square plus c square plus 2ab plus 2bc plus 2ca. I wrote like this. But did I change the question or not? You have to once verify it. Minus 5x whole square. If you expand, you are getting 25x square. 4y whole square. If you expand, 16y square is coming. 2z whole square. If you expand, 4z square is coming. Come here. So plus into minus is minus. 2 5 is a 10. 10 4 is a 40. X into y is xy. Minus 40 xy you are getting. Here numbers if you multiply 2 4 is a 8. 8 2 is a 16. Alphabets are yz. 16 yz is there. This if you first multiply symbols plus into minus. Minus 2 2 is a 4. 4 5 is a 20. Alphabets are xz. So I did not change the question, but question I wrote in this form. Now if it is there like this, you can write like this. If it is there like this, means in place of a you have to write minus 5x, in place of b 4y, in place of c 2z. Means you can write minus 5x plus 4y plus 2z whole square. So factorize means a square means a into a. So minus 5x plus 4y plus 2z into minus 5x plus 4y plus 2z. So this is called factoration. Factoration means I have to write a product of the things or not. So I wrote like product of the things. Next we will go for next problem. I hope that you understood. You should know the formula, that's it, nothing else. All identities you have to by heart it. Then you can do these entire problems very easily. Practice makes maths perfect. So you have to do practice. Now sixth question, we will go for sixth. If a plus b plus c is equal to 9, a plus b plus c is equals to 9 and ab plus bc plus ca is equals to 26. Find the value of a square plus b square plus c square is equal to how much? See, it is very easy. He is asking this formula. So a square plus b square plus c square and ab plus bc plus ca. In which formula it will be there, you have to remember. So first I am taking a plus b plus c is equal to 9. It is given or not? They given this one. Now what I am doing? Squaring on both sides. Both sides what I am doing? Squaring. That is a plus b plus c whole square is equals to 9 square. So a plus b plus c whole square formula I have to by heart it. What is the formula here? A square plus b square plus c square plus 2ab plus 2bc plus 2ca is equals to 9 square. A square means a into a. 9 square means 9 into 9. 9 nines are 81. Now you can take a 2 common from these three terms. So this a square I written as it is. These three terms as it is write down. From these three terms take 2 as common. You have AB plus BC plus CA is equals to 81. So in place of AB plus BC plus CA, how much they given here? 26. So a square plus b square plus c square plus 2 into, instead of writing these three, you can write 26 is equals to 81. So 26 twos are a square plus b square plus c square plus 26 twos are how much here? 52. So is equals to how much here? 81. So a square plus b square plus c square is equals to 81 minus 52. 81 minus 52. 11 minus 2 is 9 and 7 minus 5 is 2. 29. Okay. So here a square plus b square plus c square value you are getting as 29. When they given a plus b plus c value, ab plus bc plus ca plus value, if they given, we can find a square plus b square plus c square value by using one identity. So identities you have to know very well. Okay. Now we will go with the seventh problem. So this is seventh problem. How we have to do, we'll see it here. Evaluate. Reading question is very important. Evaluate using suitable identities. See, by using identities only you have to find the value. First question is 99 whole cube. 99 whole cube. So, this how normally this children will do. They won't read this entire 99 into 99 they will do. One answer will come. Again this answer into 99 they will do. And they will get answer. This answer they will write here. So, this is actual multiplication. We should not do like that. So 99 how you can write? From 100, if you subtract 1, 100 minus 1 is 99 or not? 100 minus 1, 99. 99 I wrote as 100 minus 1. So for our seeing purpose, it is like a minus b whole cube. Formula is a cube minus 3a square b plus 3ab square minus b cube. It is the formula for a minus b whole cube. So if you compare these two, whole cube is there, whole cube is there. In place of a you have 100, in place of b you have 1, minus minus same. So here in place of a you have to write 100. 100 cube, 3 into 100 square, b means here 1, 3 into 100 into 1 square minus 1 cube. So wherever a is there I wrote 100, wherever b is there I wrote 1. Now 100 cube means for 100 square means what you have to do? See, 10 square is there. You have to write 2 zeros here. 100 square is there. So 100 into 100 means more 2 zeros like this. Cube is there means 1, 2, 3. This is the answer. So 2 zeros 3 times I kept it here. Minus 100 square. 3 into 100 square means 2 zeros I have to keep it here. Into 1 means same will come. That is 300 minus 1. Now again simplification. This is 10 lakhs. This is 30,000. This is 300. This is 1. Now what you have to do is, so 10 lakhs minus that others plus symbols or minus symbols, your vision. 10 lakhs minus 30,000. So you are getting 9 lakhs. Okay, 70,000. 9 lakhs 70,000. 300 minus 1 is 299. So here 9 lakhs 70,299. So I did not do like this multiplication, but I got the value here. So if you do it also, you will get same. Remaining also you do like that. So we'll see in the next class.